Throughout her 22 years with MMI, Beatriz Mauersberg has demonstrated an unwavering dedication to our mission of improving lives through financial education. In addition to regularly facilitating group workshops and events, Beatriz provides one-on-one financial coaching and guidance to clients in need.
Passion for what you do, okay? And, just giving the best when you're trying to teach people, when you're trying to make them understand, just have that passion and love what you do.
As a bilingual educator, Beatriz has a focus on increasing financial capability in the Hispanic community and serves as the primary financial wellness partner for the financial education window at the Consulate of Mexico in Atlanta.
At the consulate, Beatriz obviously has been just a tremendous asset to MMI and to the Hispanic population, but not just in Atlanta, but also since the pandemic, she's been doing work online for the consulate in Fresno. She started Facebook Live education with the consulate in Atlanta and really just got outside the box immediately. She's also traveled to Mexico City to present on the impact of her work with the consulate and the financial window that they have there.
Regardless of language, Beatriz works to meet clients where they are, in person and virtually, locally and nationally. The impact Beatriz has in increasing financial capability across Greater Atlanta, Georgia, and the United States, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, is remarkable.
I think one of the greatest impacts that Beatriz has is her ability to be so passionate about the information and the education that she's providing to the people that she works with. And, it's hard to do that online. It's hard to bring that online, that passion and that compassion and, the excitement about taking control of your finances when you move from an in-person setting to an online setting. And Beatriz has been so impactful in providing that.
From helping clients realize and achieve their goals to advocating for financial education in the media and through outreach, Beatriz is there leading the charge.
I'm so excited that Beatriz has been awarded the NFCC Educator of the Year award this year. I've been working with Beatriz for many years, and I was really pleased to be able to add her this year to MMI Speakers Bureau, which is our stable of subject matter experts who are sourced by the media on a variety of topics throughout the country. And Beatriz has been such an asset to be able to speak to those in both English and in Spanish. She's been sourced by local Hispanic media, including El Nuevo, Univision, and Telemundo, and national English media, including Fox Business, NBC News, and the Atlanta Voice and the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. Beatriz is just an incredible asset to our organization, and I really appreciate the fact that she works so closely with us. In fact, she was integral to part of our recent initiative supported by JP Morgan Chase, which relaunched our Spanish language website on moneymanagement.org. It updated and expanded our outreach to the Latino community. And as part of the initiative, we developed mobile-friendly Spanish content, created online educational workshops, and expanded web-based marketing practices to increase our reach to the Hispanic community. The goal was to generate at least 10,000 web visits or phone calls, but we've actually reached over 28,000 consumers since this project launched. So thank you, Beatriz, for all your help with these important initiatives, and congratulations.
Gracias. Thank you, Beatriz, for all you do, and congratulations on being awarded the NFCC Financial Educator of the Year.